Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can use the payment function to calculate time value of money problems. So I just wanted to do a simple example, and I even set up like a little dashboard that you can set up. Normally when I use these functions in Excel, I don't just plug the numbers right into the formula. I like to build like a little dashboard like this so that I can see all my numbers, and then within the formula I can select these cells as my inputs. It's just cleaner, and if I go through the trouble of actually using that function, I would rather have a little dashboard that I can reuse for another problem or something else that I want to figure out. So I want to figure out payment, and I'm just going to do like a simple problem where I want to come up with a future value, so like a retirement problem. So let's say for my future value, let's say in 40 years I want to have like $1 million, say on top of Social Security and any other money that I may have from, or any other income. I want to come up with I want to have $1 million, and I need to know what the payments have to be quarterly to get to that $1 million at, let's say like 10%, so quarterly. So if we're doing this quarterly, we're gonna have to, let's see, 40 periods that we're going to have. It's going to be 40, oh gosh, I'm using one hand here, 40 times 4, so that's 160 periods. And for interest, at 10% interest, if we are compounding quarterly, we're going to have to divide 10% by 4, so that'll give us 2.5%. Now, I don't need a present value because right now I have no money. I haven't saved anything yet, so there's nothing for present value to calculate. I mean, you can't calculate it, it doesn't exist. So I'm trying to find, now I'm just left with trying to find the payment. So I just have to type in the formula, PMT. I'll select it from the list. So now I just got to plug my rate, 2.5%, comma, my number of periods, 160, comma, my present value, which is nothing. I have to have a comma for a placeholder, or yes, I could put 0 there because there is nothing for present value. And now for future value, it wants, select future value, and I just need to end with a closing parentheses. And you could hit enter, but I usually like to click the enter checkbox up here, and there I go. So I use the payment function here, which I could have plugged all those numbers in here, to figure out that I need to pay out. It's a negative number because this is money that I need to pay out, $490.41, compounding quarterly at 10%. I have to pay that much out to get to my $1 million goals for that long period of 40 years. So that's just one example of how you can use the payment function to figure out time value of money problems. And there's, gosh, who wants to really talk about retirement if you don't? Well, I mean, it's probably good to talk about it early, but I mean, there's a lot of different other types of problems where you can figure out payments, like car loans, figure out mortgage payments. But yeah, you can do this all within Excel, and I suggest setting up a dashboard just so you can kind of have a visualization of all the data. All right, thanks for watching.